Got it? Okay, so the tuner will have some sort of a measurement bar with a center line. Pluck the thickest string, remember this is the 6th string, and your tuner bar will move to a location. That's the note your string is playing. By turning the tuning peg that's attached to your string, you can change the pitch of the string. Your goal is to get the strings to be E, A, D, G, B, and E, and right on the center line of your app meter. This app shows these notes on the top bar so you don't have to remember yourself. We'll start with the 6th string. Your guitar will be in a different place than mine though, so you'll have to listen to figure out which way you need to go. On this app, if the box with the desired string's name is on the left, it means your string is too high, and if it's on the right, your string is too low. So we'll start with the 6th string. So this one's low, so we've got to go up a decent amount to get to it. Okay, that one's good. The white means we're good, and we can move on to the next one. So this time we're a little bit high. There we go. Moving on to the D string. We're a little bit low this time. There we go. Now the next one. We're very high this time, so we got to go down a decent amount. There we go. On to the next string. And finally the 1st string. There we go. Your guitar should be all tuned up now. Play each string along with me now. Yours should sound the same. If it doesn't, that string's on the wrong note and you should go back and figure out how to fix it before you continue. If your strings all sound the same as mine, you're ready to move on. You should tune your guitar before you play it every day. If your guitar goes out of tune, no matter how good a player you are, it'll still sound awful. You also want to get used to hearing the correct sounds because it'll help your ears get used to the way it should sound, and developing a good ear is very useful for a musician. Once you get the hang of it, you'll only take about a minute to tune your guitar, and you'll only have to turn the pegs a little bit to make them perfect because they won't change that much from day to day.